All right, guys, here's the mount that I made. It bolts up on the factory crossmember piece of the floor pan in here, and it uses the factory points. And then down at the bottom there, it uses a C4 T5 rubber isolator mount, but it's basically made out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's 3 pieces on top. So 8 pieces of 1/4 inch plate or 3/16 plate. I can't remember what that is. But anyways, that's the design. The only thing I did have to do to the transmission is I removed that, there's like 3 bolt holes that are on the bottom of the tail shaft of the transmission, and they're used in later models to hang a vibration dampening weight off of. It's not necessary for the transmission, especially in the way that we use it. The reason I did that is so I could get the mount up under the scrub line of the car. So the mount does not hang below the scrub line of the car. So, and by that, what I'm talking about is it doesn't hang lower than the pinch or even the frame rails. So it's tucked up nice and neat against the vehicle there. I'll take some pictures of it. I'll pull it out and take some pictures of it. That little hole in the back right there, that little notch, that does nothing. I cut this out of scrap and that piece just had a hole blown in it. Anyways, this is the second or third one that I've made. So it was kind of like an improvement upon an improvement upon an improvement. Anyways, I'm really happy with this design, and it ended up working real well for me. It works fine in the car. And if anyone's wondering about the geometry, it has a 3-degree tail shaft down with factory motor mounts for a round body Falcon. So that's what I had built into it when I had the factory motor mounts. I got a Mustang 2 front end now, and it's still 3 degrees, but I had to do different motor mounts up front. Anyways, so that's what it looks like. I'll take it out and take some pictures.